In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Teams account step by step. Whether you're simplifying your digital footprint or just switching platforms, it's vital to know how to do this process smoothly. The key thing to remember is that Microsoft Teams is tied to your Microsoft account. So when you delete your Teams account, you're also deleting your Microsoft account, which means you'll lose access to other services like Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, and Skype. Let's get started by visiting the Close Your Account page. This is the hub where you'll initiate the process of deleting your Microsoft account. Once you're on the page, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. It's crucial to have your login details handy, as you won't be able to proceed without signing in. After signing in, Microsoft will need to verify your identity for security reasons. This usually involves sending a verification code to your registered email address or phone number, so ensure you have access to either of these before you begin. Once you've received the code, enter it to confirm your identity. Next, you'll be presented with a checklist that you should carefully review. This checklist outlines everything you'll lose access to once your Microsoft account is closed. Take your time to go over this important information, as it will help you make a well-informed decision. Ensure you back up any essential emails or files from Outlook or OneDrive and disconnect any linked services or devices. When you're ready to proceed, you'll need to select a waiting period for the closure of your account. Microsoft offers two options here: a 30-day waiting period or a 60-day waiting period. This time frame serves as a grace period, allowing you to reactivate your account if you change your mind. Think about which option suits your needs best. Once you've chosen your waiting period, click the Mark Account for Closure button. Doing so will officially set the process in motion. Remember, your account will not be deleted immediately. Instead, it is scheduled for deletion, and you can still access your account during the waiting period to reactivate it if necessary. After the waiting period has elapsed and if no action has been taken to reactivate the account, your Microsoft account, along with all associated services including Microsoft Teams, will be permanently deleted. It's a straightforward process, yet it has significant implications, so make sure that you are absolutely certain about your decision before initiating the deletion. With this, you now know how to delete your Microsoft Teams account. Be sure to take all necessary precautions before marking your account for closure. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tech how-tos and tips. Thank you for watching, and